How to transfer crypto to an external wallet address from crypto.com. This tutorial provides a straightforward guide on how to transfer cryptocurrency from the crypto.com app to an external wallet. By moving your crypto assets to a private wallet, you enhance security and control over your funds. Whether you're using a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor, or a software wallet, this step-by-step guide will help you through the process efficiently. Before transferring any cryptocurrency, ensure your external wallet is set up and ready to receive funds. Decide whether you want to use a hardware wallet like Ledger, Trezor, or a software wallet. If using a software wallet, download the app and create an account. For hardware wallets, follow the manufacturer's setup instructions. Once your wallet is set up, locate your wallet address. This is a unique string of characters that you will need for the transfer. Launch the Crypto.com app on your mobile device. Enter your credentials to access your account. Find the section displaying your cryptocurrency balances. Identify which cryptocurrency you wish to transfer to your external wallet. Tap on the specific cryptocurrency. Look for the option to withdraw or send funds. You need to add your external wallet address to the Crypto.com app for the transaction. Select Add Wallet Address. Paste your wallet address. Label the wallet, which is optional. Specify how much cryptocurrency you want to send to your external wallet. Enter the desired amount in the appropriate field. Be aware of any transaction fees that may apply to your transfer. Before finalizing the transaction, ensure all details are correct. Check the wallet address, amount, and any fees. If everything is accurate, confirm the transfer to initiate the transaction. After confirming, keep track of your transaction. You can view the status of your withdrawal in the Crypto.com app under Transaction History. Once the transaction is confirmed on the blockchain, check your external wallet to ensure the funds have arrived. Transferring cryptocurrency from Crypto.com to an external wallet enhances the security of your assets. By following these steps, you can confidently move your funds while minimizing risks. Always double-check wallet addresses and transaction details to prevent errors. Consider setting up alerts or notifications for future transactions to stay informed about your crypto assets. For further information on managing your cryptocurrencies, explore additional guides or tutorials.